Hey there. Today I'm showing you how you can hide the list of participants on the main stage. Means that you don't want to show who's viewing the main stage, so you can now do that on Veertly. In order to do that, you can come to your cockpit, and on the main stage area, you now have one setting here for the three options that are available for the main stage, which is hide list of participants. If you enable these settings, and you come back to your event, you can see that there are no participants being shown on the list of attendees inside the main stage. This will allow you to hide this information, but please note that if you still have the attendees pane available, or the rooms, or the networking in these areas, the attendees that are inside each room, and the networking, or the full list of attendees inside the event, they are still be shown. So this setting only applies for the main stage. Great. This is one more flexibility for your event, more customization. So if you have other customizations, other settings that will allow you to personalize your own event, just let us know. We are happy to implement them. Thank you.